Today we're doing the front man costume. It's pretty easy, and I've got a strategy here that I want to kind of go over with you. And a key to most of this is the black clothing. So here's just some standard black sneaker shoes. Here's an old pair of flight boots that I used for my Michael Myers costume, posted up there. These are some black gloves. Now, it has lettering on it. If you didn't want that, you could just take a permanent marker and black that out. But when you have the coat on, you're not going to be able to see that anyway. This is a great all-purpose belt. I'll post up there an evaluation of it. It is really rock solid, great for all sorts of attire, from costumes to shorts to golfing to probably formal wear, tuxedo. And I'll post below where you can get all of these things for your costume. I'm wearing a black short sleeve. Depending on the weather, you might want to go with a long sleeve shirt. Totally up to you. You're going to be wearing a coat and you're going to be wearing a mask and the hood is on. There's a chance that you're going to overheat, so you got to be careful. This is the mask from my 4-mask set. I'll post up there. That seems to be a popular video. I got these 4 masks and did a honest review on that. So here's the front man mask, and I know it doesn't look exactly screen accurate to what the front man was. In a pinch, given the fact that Halloween is a week away, this is what I got. And once you have the hood on, people are going to be able to figure it out. This is a gun I've used in my martial arts training. It looks pretty real. Depending on where you're doing your costume, it could get you in trouble. So if you don't want to do that and just use a goofy orange gun, that's fine. You could also take some red duct tape and wrap it around the barrel so it's pretty obvious that it's not a real gun. I'm not endorsing that you use props that look like the real thing. Your costume, your responsibility, but just be careful out there. So let's talk jackets. This one I got for about $8-9, and it's a really good jacket. The only problem with it, it has a light interior, so that might be a factor when you go put on the mask. Now this one I got from the Salvation Army. And so you can go to Goodwill, Salvation Army, and it's amazing what you can find sometimes. This is about as close to screen accurate that I can get without paying a lot of money. I paid $24. I like this because it has the dark interior of the jacket. It has that shine that the front man jacket has, and it's got this weather flap that closes over like that. So the other one was just a black zip up. This one actually looks more screen accurate, and it's half the price of the front man jacket I have listed down below. Standard black pants. I think these are Amazon basics, and you know what? They're not so bad. They're pretty good. And then you want some sort of gaiter. The reasoning being is that if you had a black turtleneck long sleeve shirt, you'd probably be fine. But with this mask, because it's a little shorter than the actual mask, you've got to cover up your neck. Otherwise, you're just going to see. So let's start putting this together, and I'll show you what the front man looks like. Got the gaiter on, got the shirt on, got the belt on, the pants on, the shoes. We're going to get the gloves on after everything else is done. We'll put the coat on. Now, depending on your situation, you may not even have to zip this up. This is kind of a warm costume. So now I'm going to put the front man mask on. And I guess if I had dark hair, that would help. Put it up like this. Put the gloves on. Get the gun. So what do you think? Relatively simple. You're using things that most people have, except for the jacket and the mask. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in cosplay, costumes and props, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do evaluations of sports gear and electronics. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're going to see. And oh, by the way, if you've seen Squid Games, I think you know what I mean here. Post down below if you get this one. And there seems to be some question on whether or not the front man is left-handed or right-handed. If you know for sure, post that down below.